All right, so this is for U.S. history. It is going to be a short video because the document you're looking at today is actually a picture with only one sentence on the bottom. Please be advised, only do number 3. All right, the questions for number 3 on this document, only do number 3. All right, so the one, the sentence that's on here says, I wish the railroad thoroughly destroyed as far as possible. Let the destruction be so thorough that not a rail or tie can be used again. Okay, so if you look at the picture, it's kind of like they're actually this is what they're doing. I'm going to tell you what they're doing. They're watching a fire being made, and they have the rails of the metal rails over the fire. So what Sherman did to destroy the railroad. Now, if Sherman just tore up the railroad and left it there, eventually the South would come back, put it back together, and they would have a railroad again. So instead of letting them do that, he decided to, since the ties were wood and the rails were metal, that he would light the ties on fire. He'd create this huge fire with the railroad ties and then lay the metal rails over top of it until they got really, really, really red hot and kind of bendable. And then they would take each end, a guy at each end, and wrap them around trees, almost so they were, well, almost circular, but they would come into almost like a ribbon-looking tie type of thing. They were nicknamed Sherman's neckties because they wrapped them around like a necktie on a tree. So that being said so the rails are bent, the ties are burnt to ashes. The South could not even rebuild their railroad even if they had the time or money or manpower to do so. So this is the picture that you're looking at. Answer the questions on the side. Remember, only number 3. Tomorrow will not be a new assignment. You will be able to work on stuff that you have not done. But do make sure you come in tomorrow to fill out the attendance sheet. Other than that, have a good weekend, and I will see you on Monday.